Hey there, in this video we're gonna go through new trending app Discz, Discover and Share Music. So this app suddenly spiked in top charts in the US App Store, and as you can see it number 7 in the music chart, which is pretty amazing, just after Shazam, after YouTube Music. So that's kind of cool, and I'm just curious, why is that? What makes this app special? And you know, there are so many music apps these days. Of course, there are like two dominant players like Spotify, Apple Music, but there are some few smaller ones. But like, why this app suddenly is in the top charts? Idea is that you can swipe to discover new music. So in case you are not satisfied with your Spotify recommendation or Apple Music recommendation, or even if you get some music ideas from TikTok and you think there are so many artists which basically you are missing out, definitely give a try to this app. So custom song recommendation, FYP for music, save songs from friends, view your top songs and artists. So I created another video where you just start with logging in with your Spotify. So you need to have a Spotify account. Not sure if you need a free one or premium one. I think free one works okay. And then you just create an account here in this app. And then you can see they have really cool description that you pull out your phone to find your music, but Spotify keeps showing you the same songs and TikTok duets are getting old. Welcome to Discz. Open up the app and start swiping. Every song you like gets automatically saved to your Spotify playlist. You follow your friends and swipe through their mixes and then make your own and burn it to the feed. So something like that. Swipe to discard new music, swipe right on custom song recommendations to build your perfect playlist, build your profile, follow friends, curate your playlist, go viral. So something around that. Like songs to automatically save to your Spotify playlist, view your Spotify top artists and tracks of the last month, 6 months, all time. Swipe through any playlist on Spotify to quickly find the tracks you like. So let's just jump into the app. I tried to play with it and it feels really interesting because I must say I also have kind of like a similar issue. Like, of course, if I want to discover a new music in Spotify, I usually would just use some Discover weekly playlist. There are also like these daily mixes playlists, but they just consist of the songs I had listened to before. So it's like really sometimes an issue. Like, I know that, for example, I like some electronic music, and there are so many artists which sometimes are just not recommended to me, and sometimes you just listen to a nice track and it took months and years for Spotify to recommend you it. So I'm just curious, maybe there is some better way, better algorithm to just deal with the problem of like finding some new artists. So here's the app. It looks like Tinder. So basically you have your playlist in the playlist tab, which will be synced with Spotify because you logged in with your Spotify. So let's just create a new playlist. So here I will just add it, and then I can just name it like this. So it's synced in Spotify. And then I have this feed. I swipe left and right, I can just see, like, for example, I just swiped it to the right, and then this song appears here in the playlist. So now it's also synced to Spotify. And then I can swipe through similar songs from this song, so I can get more recommendations based on it. Can share, I can listen on Spotify, or I can remove from playlist. So that's the main features, that I have this feed. I have more and more songs which are recommended to me. I can swipe left just like on Tinder. I can comment, I can share it. I can see trending tab in top left. I can see following, what I'm following and what is on repeat here. Then there are some recommendations. Which I can get some filtering here. find songs similar to this artist. There are some advanced filters. I can target BPM, can target energy, happiness, target key. I can select also these chords, like target keys and all of that. So that's pretty cool filtering. It's not available on Spotify for some reason. And yeah, I think that this app would be just a really amazing feature inside of Spotify. I don't know why they're not doing that. But anyways, try out this app. So yeah, just imagine you want to find some high energy, select tempo, I don't know, something around that. Okay, something similar to Calvin Harris, and then you can also select key, and then yeah, you can just you can select more of songs. Probably it shouldn't be just Calvin Harris, but there will be some other artist, and yeah, you can just explore it. So that's kind of really cool, I think. Amazing filter. Then there is Explore. You can search for people here. You can see your top tracks. You can have suggestions who to follow. You can see your top artists, recent, mid, all time. Yeah. You can browse genres, browse moods. So similar to Spotify Discover, but yeah, it's just here. I think it's much more focused on recommendations and finding similar music. So that's cool. And then of course you can follow people. So you can go to some profile and tap follow. You can also invite your friends here. So you can just tap here to follow friends, and then you can add people from your contact list. Then you can see what your friends are listening to, and you know, you will have some similar recommendations. While you're creating your account, you can reserve your username, you can add your profile picture and all of that. Yeah, so that's the idea. And then yeah, that's basically it. Of course you have all these playlists. There are also some playlists synced. Then there are playlists synced with Spotify, and so that's that. So then there is a profile. Then there are settings. You have Instagram, Discord. You can set up recommendation settings, invite friends, provide feedback. You can see how this works. Again, choose a playlist from the drop down to add songs to, apply filters, BPM. So then you can discard new music based on your top artist tracks or selected genres. And then it's really cool if you want to delete your account and you're not secure about your data, then you can just tap delete account. So that's about it. How Discz works. So that's about that. And then you have your overview and your profile, and so that's the app. Definitely give it a try. I think it's a really nice idea. I think this app is super new. They just graduated Y Combinator just this year, 2022 batch, and I think already in the top charts of App Store, so that's amazing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.